ito man ang huling awiting na awitin. Nais kong malaman mo, ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sambitin, niligyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kitang lumuhay. Dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa.
Oh.
Thank you, teacher, and I will miss you. Thank you, teacher, na tinuturuan niyo po kami na maayos. Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher, for teaching us that we don't know, and you share your knowledge with us, your respect. We are happy to be your teacher. Thank you, teacher. I love you. Thank you po sa pagtuturo. Teacher, we love you. We will miss you. Hi, teacher. I just want to thank you for teaching us and for your patience and loving us. I love you and I will miss you. Thank you po, Ma'am Gracie, for teaching us. You are a great teacher. Also, maraming po akong natutunan. Thank you, teacher, sa pagtulong sa amin.
Teacher.
Thank you po, teacher, sa pagtuturo niyo po sa amin at sa amin.
Okay.
I love you po.
Okay.
Teacher Mary Grace, thank you for teaching me and take care always. And God bless you. Thank you po, Teacher Mary Grace, sa pagtuturo sa amin. Ayaw madami po ako natutunan kayo po. Thank you po. I love you po. Hi po, teacher. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin and we'll miss you. Thank you.
Take care.
Take care po. Hello, Teacher Grace. Thank you po sa na yung turo niyo po sa amin. Sa pag-alaga at pagturo sa amin.
Go.
Thank you po, teacher, for helping us learn, for learning us, for helping us to make me happy. Thank you po, teacher, sa pagtuturo sa amin. Sa pagtuturo at pagtsatsaga sa amin, mamimiss kapag namin. Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher, for teaching us. And the love and patience, we will miss you.